Immersion blenders, also known as hand blenders, are compact, versatile tools perfect for blending soups, sauces, smoothies, and more, right in the pot or container. With powerful motors, multiple speed settings, and easy-to-clean attachments, they offer quick, mess-free blending. Ideal for kitchens of any size, immersion blenders save time and space while delivering smooth, consistent results. There are many different types of immersion blenders, each with special benefits, features, and prices. To help make right decisions, I did a lot of research and will be found the best immersion blenders that people like you can benefit greatly from these products. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video with patience. Number 5. Vitamix Immersion Blender 3-Piece Set. The Vitamix Immersion Blender 3-Piece Set is a powerhouse of versatility and convenience. Featuring versatile attachments, this bundle includes a whisk attachment and a durable storage case, perfect for whipping, blending, and organizing with ease. A powerful 625-watt motor tackles tough ingredients effortlessly, whether you're making smoothies, soups, or sauces. Thanks to its one-handed operation, you can blend with one hand and add ingredients with the other. Ideal for multitasking in the kitchen. With 5 speeds and a 4-pronged blade, you'll achieve precise textures every time, from silky purees to chunky salsas. The sleek design lets you blend in any container with a 3-inch wide or larger opening, including smoothie cups and mason jars. What's in the box? The set includes the immersion blender, whisk attachment, and storage case. Everything you need for fast, efficient blending with the trusted performance of Vitamix. Number 4. Immersion Blender 1000-watt scratch-resistant hand blender. Experience high performance and versatility with the Gavasto 3-in-1 immersion blender. Designed with high power and unique blades, its 1000-watt copper motor and curved 4-pronged titanium steel blades easily crush ice and frozen fruits for smooth, consistent results. The anti-scratch blade guard protects pots and containers from damage, while the anti-splash design keeps your kitchen spotless. With 20 variable speeds and a dedicated turbo mode, you get full control to create the perfect texture for smoothies, soups, baby food, and more. This powerful hand mixer also includes food processor and egg beaters, turning your kitchen into a multitasking powerhouse. All attachments are easy to clean, just rinse or place on the dishwasher's top rack. Backed by a 5-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, Gavasto stands behind its quality and service. Whether you're blending, chopping, or whipping, this scratch-resistant immersion blender is built to handle it all. Fast, easy, and mess-free. Number 3. Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender. The Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender delivers power, precision, and convenience in one sleek tool. Its 625-watt motor handles tough ingredients effortlessly, making it perfect for smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. Designed for one-handed operation, it lets you blend with ease while adding ingredients or multitasking. With 5 variable speeds and a sharp 4-pronged blade, you can create precise textures for every recipe, from silky purees to chunky dips. The unique bell guard minimizes suction, enhances ingredient flow, and protects your cookware from scratches. Whether you're blending in a smoothie cup or a 1-quart mason jar, this blender fits any container with a 3-inch wide or larger opening. And thanks to the long 5-foot cord, you'll enjoy the freedom to move around your kitchen while blending. Built with Vitamix quality and reliability, this stainless steel and black immersion blender is your go-to tool for quick, controlled, and powerful blending. Number 2. Ninja Hand Mixer Immersion Blender. The Ninja Footy Power Mixer System CI-101 is a 750-peak-watt multitasking marvel that transforms effortlessly from a high-speed hand mixer to a powerful immersion blender, giving you unmatched versatility in the kitchen. With 5 mixing and 2 blending speeds, you get precision control for everything from airy batters to silky soups. Ninja's Easy Glide beaters are designed with increased surface area to whip up lighter, fluffier baked goods in less time. The 9-inch stainless steel immersion arm features a built-in pan guard, letting you blend directly in deep pots without scratching. Thanks to Smart Torque technology, it maintains consistent speed, even through thick doughs or chunky sauces. After you're done, effortless cleaning is guaranteed with dishwasher-safe parts. The full kit includes a power base, immersion arm, hand mixer with whisk and beaters, 3-cup blending vessel with lid, and a 20-recipe guide to kickstart your creativity. Power, precision, and convenience, all in one sleek, black appliance. Number 1. Immersion Blender RPM 16,000 plus or minus 10% hand blender. Experience unmatched blending power with the Gavasto JHB 328 Immersion Blender, built for performance and durability. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers stable, long-lasting performance without overheating, unlike many lower-quality alternatives. With a powerful 1,000-watt motor and uniquely curved 4-prong titanium steel blades, it blends even the toughest ingredients like ice cubes and frozen fruits to produce consistently smooth results. Choose from 15 adjustable speeds and a dedicated turbo button to customize textures for smoothies, baby food, soups, and more. Its user-friendly design ensures effortless operation, making meal prep faster and easier. The set includes a snap-on blending arm, twist-and-lock chopper with removable blade, and a pair of egg beaters, giving you a complete kitchen solution that even doubles as a mini food processor. Backed by a 5-year warranty and 24/7 fast customer support, the Gavasto JHB 328 is a reliable, powerful tool for everyday kitchen creativity. All I want to say is that I make helpful videos daily. Please do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, so do check out link the my description box for each product mentioned. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.